SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Yelahanka, Bangalore. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise, they offer the best 3D scanning solutions to their clients. Whether it is for reverse engineering, quality control, or product development, SCON Design has the capabilities to deliver accurate and high-quality scans. When it comes to 3D scanning services, SCON Design stands out from its competitors in Yelahanka, Bangalore. They have a team of experienced professionals who understand the intricacies of scanning and can provide customized solutions to meet the specific needs of each client. Their attention to detail and commitment to excellence ensures that the scans they deliver are of the highest quality. One of the reasons why SCON Design is considered the best in the industry is their advanced scanning technology. They utilize the latest equipment and software to capture precise and detailed scans of objects of any size or complexity. Their scanners have the capability to capture millions of data points, resulting in highly accurate and detailed 3D models. In addition to their exceptional scanning services, SCON Design also offers additional services such as data processing and analysis. They have a team of skilled professionals who can convert raw scan data into usable formats and perform various analyses to extract valuable insights. This comprehensive approach ensures that clients receive not just accurate scans, but also actionable information. In conclusion, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is undoubtedly the best provider of 3D scanning services in Yelahanka, Bangalore. Their advanced technology, experienced team, and commitment to customer satisfaction make them stand out from their competitors. Whether it is for reverse engineering, quality control, or product development, SCON Design has the expertise and capabilities to deliver accurate and high-quality scans. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of the best 3D scanning services in Yelahanka, Bangalore. With their expertise in the field of 3D scanning, they offer top-notch services to clients from various industries. SCON Design is known for its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, making them a trusted choice for businesses in need of accurate and reliable 3D scanning solutions. One of the reasons why SCON Design is considered the best 3D scanning service provider in Yelahanka, Bangalore, is their state-of-the-art scanning equipment. They have invested in the latest technology, including high-resolution scanners and advanced software, to ensure precise and detailed scans. This enables them to capture even the smallest details of an object, resulting in accurate 3D models that can be used for a variety of applications. In addition to their cutting-edge equipment,